Hey, beautiful people. My name is Kristen. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I've got a yoga club unboxing. I get super excited. It is a styling service. It's monthly, but you can skip months. You do not get a preview or get to pick in any way. There is a style quiz where you can say if you like really bright things or neutral things or what your sizes are, but that's about it. Otherwise, it's a surprise, and I like that. So it is $79 a month for 3 pieces, a top, bralette, sports bra, and leggings. They are upper end. They're not YogaClub brand. They are the V Active and the Gaiam and the Free People and the Chaser and all those kind of upper end. So it's basically over a $200 value that you get for the $79. But if you use my link or somebody else's link, you get $20 off. So for $59, you get the 3 things. So it's basically less than $20 an item for upper end activewear. You get a cute pink YogaClub box, and every once in a while they will send little samples or hair tie. I think I got hair ties last time. This time I got some panty liners, little free sample of panty liners, so with a coupon it looks like. So I do mostly neutrals, and I tell them that I always like graphics because I don't think I've ever gotten any graphics. They had this really adorable elephant graphic, and I said, at one point they said if I ordered that one and moved up my date, they would send that one, and I said yes, and then it got lost. It was so sad. So these are our leggings. It does have the retail price. Yeah, these are $92 retail price there, and this is MPG's, Design for Life and Motion, MGP Sport. So these look really super thick. Do they have the little pockets? Yeah, they got the little key pocket. They've got, I don't think it's, I don't like it when it's like white. You know what I'm talking about? I think that'll be good. We'll do the test. I'll put them on and bend over and we'll see. But it's kind of got an ombre effect. Do you see that? It's like dark, and then it gets bright, and then it gets dark. So those are pretty cute. And then let's look at the sports bra. It is, I can't tell if that's black or navy. It is Lycra, Ultra Flow Flattering. This is V Activewear, which is a really nice brand. Its retail is $58. Ooh. Trying to get that. So it's a nice full coverage. I need some coverage, and strappy back, but it's got the thicker straps, so that's good support. I like that. So I'm pretty sure that's black. It didn't really say on the, oh yes, soft black. So I'll have to look and see if I have a whole lot of black, because I do a couple of these boxes, because I think Ellie sent me a black one. So we will see. There's one black one that I have that's super cute, but it does not have enough support for me. So I am thinking I'm going to do like a viewer giveaway, because not everybody needs the same size, right? So here is an adorable Chaser. Love Chaser. It's one of my favorite brands, y'all. And then the back has this cute detail to show off your bra. Keep the straps on. This retails for $55 in gray. Love it. I wouldn't pay $55 for this, but for a nice Chaser tank with this thick quality, I would pay probably up to $30 for it. I really would. 25, I'd feel like I got a great deal. So at $59, you know, this is half of my value. And then I've got a nice black sports bra and leggings. So this was, you know, close. This is over $200 value. So we will try it on, see what it looks like. Hold up. So my outfit of today, I wanted to show you real quick. I did wear my Transcend new little camouflage skirt. Come a little closer, show you the pattern. It's a nice knit, super easy for quarantine. And then this is kind of my kimonos. I'm not a real kimono girl, but this is a Free People, got off of clearance from Nordstrom 2 years ago. And it's just almost kind of a sheer overlay, slouchy, wear it off the shoulder kind of top that's great for when you just need to do an additional layer. And then I have on a sports bra that I got from Yoga Club. It's got a really cute strappy back. So I don't know about y'all, but I am loving the sports bras and leggings and all that during this quarantine time. So hold on, I will put on the new outfit. Okay, so I've put on the new outfit. The tank top is slightly ribbed. I don't know if I can get close enough to kind of show that. And I'll show you the bralette in a minute. Let's show the tank first. It's got a rounded scoop here. Hold on, I got a clip right here. Clip up my hair so we can show off the back. Anybody else ready for hair salons to quit their timeout? I know we have to do it, I know, but hello. All right, so there's that. The leggings, they're super comfortable, super thick, super impressed. Let me see. It's the ombre, but I don't feel like it. I'll have to watch the footage, y'all. Sorry if that's TMI. The sports bra has great coverage. It feels fantastic. It's got cute detail in the back. So, need to do some back work, but it's the quarantine. Is anybody else having trouble getting these home exercises going? I mean, I need some motivation. If you have like a phenomenal do-at-home exercise routine motivator person, please leave that in the comments. I get out, I walk, I even have been attempting with my physical therapy on my ankle to even step into my running, but I'm having a hard time, y'all, not being at the gym with my friends and my group therapy. So leave me a comment if you'd like to try Yoga Club and get your $20 off. I'll leave that link below. And I hope everybody has an amazing day and comes back and visits me. I've got more stuff going on. I'm always got stuff I want to share with y'all, and look forward to seeing what people share back. Love y'all. Take care.